Multiple choice question MSS Excel. Question number 1. What is Microsoft Excel? Options are a web browser, a word processing program, a graphic design tool, a spreadsheet application. Answer D, a spreadsheet application. Explanation. Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet application used for organizing, analyzing, and visualizing data through tables, charts, and formulas. Question number 2. Who invented MS Excel and in which year? Option A. Richard Brody 1985. Option B. Steve Jobs 1985. C. Bill Gates 1983. Gary Kildale 1980. Correct answer is Richard Brody. Answer A. Richard Brody. Explanation. MS Excel was developed by Richard Brody and was first released in 1985 as a part of the Microsoft Office suite. Question number 3. What is the default extension for an Excel workbook? Options are Option A. XLX, Option B. .XLS, Option C. .txt, Option D. .csv. Correct answer is Option A. .xlsx. Explanation. The default file extension for Excel workbook is .xlx, which is the format for Excel workbooks without macros. Question number 4. Which file format is used to save Excel workbooks with macros? Option A. .xlsx, Option B. .xlsb, Option C. .xlsm, Option D. .csv. Correct answer is Option C. .xlsm. Explanation. Workbooks with macros are saved with .xlsm file extension. A .xlsm file extension. Question number 5. What is the function used to calculate the sum of a range of cells? Option A. Add. Option B. Sum. Option C. Average. Option D. Count. Correct answer is Option B. Sum. Explanation. The sum function is used to add the values of a range of cells in Excel. Question number 6. What is the purpose of filter feature in Excel? Option A. To sort the data. Option B. To delete data. Option C. To display only the data that meets certain criteria. Option D. To add rows. Correct answer is Option C. To display only the data that meets certain criteria. Explanation. The filter feature allows users to view only rows that match the specified criteria, hiding the rest. Question number D. How do you start a formula in Excel? Option A. By typing @. Option B. By typing hash. Option C. By typing plus. Option D. By typing is equal to. Correct answer is Option D. By typing is equal to sign. Formula in Excel always begin with an equal sign. Question number 8. Function used to count the number of numerical values in range. Option A. Count. Option B. Count blank. Option C. Count if. Option D. Count A. Correct answer is Option A. Count. The count function counts only numerical values in a range of cells. Question number 8. Question number 9. How can you insert a new worksheet in an Excel workbook? Option A. Press Ctrl N. Option B. Right click on a worksheet tab and select Insert. Option C. Right click on the cell and select Insert. Option C. Use the Revert Insert tab in the ribbon. Correct answer is Option B. Right click on a worksheet tab and select Insert. Explanation. To insert a new worksheet, right click on a worksheet tab and choose the Insert or click plus button at the bottom of the sheet tabs. Question number 8. Dash is an Excel cell or chart type in Excel. Option B. A toolbar in Excel. Option C. A type of formula. Option D. An individual book in a worksheet for data entry. Correct answer is Option D. An individual box in a worksheet for data entry. Explanation. An Excel cell is the basic unit of a worksheet where data like text, numbers, or formulas can be entered. Question number 11. What is an Excel spreadsheet? A toolbar for formatting cells. Option B. A type of chart in Excel. Option C. A grid of rows and columns for organizing and analyzing data. Option D. A collection of documents. Correct answer is option C. Option C, a grid of rows and columns for organizing and analyzing data. An Excel spreadsheet is a grid of rows and columns used to organize, calculate, and analyze data. It is the main interface of Microsoft Excel. Question number 12. What is an Excel worksheet? Option A, a collection of multiple separate sheets. Option B, a single sheet within an Excel workbook. Option C, a chart tool in Excel. Option D, a type of formula for calculations. Correct answer is option B. Option B, a single sheet within an Excel workbook. Explanation. An Excel worksheet is a single sheet in a workbook consisting of a grid of rows and columns where data, formulas, and charts can be organized and analyzed. What is an Excel workbook? Option A, a formula for calculations. Option B, a collection of worksheets in a single file. Option C, a file of charts in Excel. Option D, a single sheet in Excel. Correct answer is answer B, a collection of worksheets in a single file. Explanation. An Excel workbook is a file that contains one or more worksheets, allowing user to organize and analyze data across multiple sheets in a single document. Question number 14. What is an Excel macro? A set of recorded actions to automate tasks. Option B, a function for formatting text. Option C, a type of formula for calculations. Option D, a tool for creating charts. Correct answer is answer A. Explanation. An Excel macro is a set of recorded actions or code that automates repetitive tasks in Excel, written in VBA, Visual Basic for Applications. Question number 15. What is an Excel graph? Option A, a type of worksheet, a table of numbers. Option C, a visual representation of data similar to a chart. Option D, a tool for creating formulas. Correct answer is answer C, a visual representation of data similar to chart. Explanation. An Excel graph is essentially the same as an Excel chart, providing a visual representation of data to help analyze trends and relationships. Question number 16. What is an Excel range? Option A, a formatting style. B, a collection of multiple workbooks. Option C, a group of selected cells in a worksheet. Option D, a type of chart. Correct answer is option C, a group of selected cells in a worksheet. Answer. Explanation. An Excel range refers to a selection of cells in a worksheet which can be used for data entry, formatting, or calculations. Question number 17. What is an Excel data table? Option A, a tool for creating charts, a table that stores only text data. Option C, a type of worksheet. Option D, a structured range of data used for analysis and calculations. Correct answer is option D. Explanation. An Excel table is a structured range of data used to organize information and perform calculations or analysis, such as for financial models or what-if scenario. Question number 18. Which function is used to calculate the average in a range of cells? Option A, sum. Option B, max. Option C, average. Option D, count. Correct answer is option C, average. Average function computes the arithmetic mean of the specified range of cells. Question number 19. What is the shortcut key used to save an Excel workbook? Option A, Ctrl S. Option B, Ctrl plus P. Option C, Ctrl plus C. Option D, Ctrl plus B. Correct answer is A, Ctrl plus S. Ctrl plus S is the shortcut key for saving an Excel workbook. Question number 20. What does VLOOKUP function do? Deletes a row. Option B, searches for data in columns. Option C, searches for data in rows. Option D, calculates a vertical sum. Correct answer is answer B. Explanation. The VLOOKUP function searches for a value in the first column of a table and returns a value in the same row from another column.